Hi, Seth David here from the world-famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated with breaking news. Google Plus just rolled out a whole new interface, and oh my god, everybody's going to go crazy. It's going to be pandemonium because something changed, and God forbid something should change, ever. Especially once we've gotten used to it. All kidding aside, if you log in, you'll see the Google Plus interface is very different. It's got this kind of tile-like layout to it with all the posts. I happen to like it because you can see more stuff at once. What I also really like right off the bat is in the past I could be writing a post and all of a sudden it gets pushed down because a new post comes in. Here I get to tell it when to refresh right here at the top left. You'll notice if you're using Google Apps for Business, as I am, notice the email address is mynerdenterprises.com, not a Gmail address. That means I'm using Google Apps for Business. The Hangouts aren't working. Don't panic. They're working on it. I called support. One of the great things about having Google Apps for Business is you can call support. There's actually a line you can call and somebody really answers. And anyway, they told me they're working on it. It'll be a few hours before they fix it up. If you're using a Gmail account, I've got that too. The Hangouts are working just fine. And it is a whole new Hangout app. Apparently, they've made a lot of changes and improvements to it and what have you. So it's a new layout. Now, another thing I noticed right off the bat is if I click more up here, going way down to the bottom, I can change the layout. You have the stream layout. There's two choices. One is tiled. The other one, you're going to see in a second, makes it look a lot more like Tumblr, you know, where everything's just kind of going down the middle. And you might like this better. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. And, of course, going back down there, we can change it back to the tile layout. Now, when you're doing that, by the way, what you can do when you click on a new post, notice what just happened. It brings it front and center. So it makes it really easy to write the post. Notice the activity is down below. So, again, nothing's going to push me down when I'm trying to write a post. That used to be very annoying. And it's a little more colorful, I think. It looks kind of more colorful to me. Maybe. Same formatting features that were in the original one apply. You can bold text, you can strike through text, and you can italicize. The star in front of the text is for bolding. The underscore is for italics, and I think just regular dashes. I forget. I haven't done the strike through very much, but I think it's just a regular dash. That makes it strike through when you click share. Your circles are laid out up here, kind of just as they was before. Over here on the home menu, you'll see the pop-out come in from the left with what had traditionally been sort of always there. Now it auto-hides so that it's not kind of in the way, I guess. But all your familiar options are there. Community's got the new layout, of course, too. It's it's prevalent everywhere. What I do like about this is that it's a little easier for me to find the communities the way it's laid out with these tiles. And the second section after the community invitations are the communities that you're a member of already. And then, of course, they have recommended for you. So that's kind of cool. And if you click into your community, and my account bookkeepers and business owners one, you'll get a sense of what it looks like when you're the admin. So I've got the About This community now is much easier to see. It used to be kind of a sidebar here on the left that you couldn't really see that well. I know I wasn't really paying attention to them. Once in a while I'd be curious to see what somebody wrote as their terms of service in there, and that's kind of what I did here. But it's easier to see. It's more obvious. Same thing. New post, click in there. It kind of repositions it just to let you know, hey, you're about to edit a post, which is kind of cool. And what else can I show you? Let's go back out to the home. Your profile is going to look a little different, of course. Everything seems to look kind of bigger. It's bigger, more spacious. See, you got my alligator there, my vicious alligator. I actually took that photo. That's why I have it up there, because I like it. And again, it's just a little different layout. You can, other than that, the same basic options are still there. If I click on this, it brings out the Hangouts menu again. I can start a Hangout. I can't start one now because I'm already using my camera to record this video. But I'm anxious to see what the new kind of Hangout app looks like. Anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts, see what you think. Come on over if you're not already on Google Plus and you're watching this video. Join me. It's a lot of fun. It's really cool. It's very different. And don't compare it with Facebook. Just come in here and join with us and have some fun. And you'll meet some really cool new people and probably learn a few things because there's a lot of very knowledgeable people hanging out here on Google Plus, and we all kind of enjoy that part of it. So if you're looking to have a new kind of experience, and you want to kind of quit playing Words with Friends for a bit, then come on over to Google Plus, check out the user interface, post your comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. What do you like? What don't you like? What would you like to see improved? By the way, real quick, if you do have suggestions, on the home menu way down here, click where it says Help, right there, and And that's that. Look, there's a set region feature here too. Oh, where you choose where you're from. Who cares? Everybody's from the same place now. We're all online. That's all that matters. Anyway, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the web.